How's it going? Yep, an update on the Silver Ranger. I got a bed for it. This, I forget what the heck I think he said it was made out of hemlock or something. I don't remember. But it's a heavy duty bed. Came off of another Ranger. As you can see, whoever made it, they put some work into it, cutting it out to go right on the frame. I do have to do a little bit of work to it so that it's fastened to the truck better. Right now there's only 2 bolts holding it in and these ratchet straps. This plywood is what I had clamped onto the frame while I drove out to get it. This was 66 miles away. And it's heavy enough that I can feel a difference between this being on here and nothing being on here. Drove in a rainstorm to go get it, and when I got there they already had it off, which was awesome. And then the guy kept me there for quite a while, just talking my ear off. Freaking mosquitoes are a nightmare. So what I still have left to do on this is fill in these holes with spray foam. I got one there too, and 2 on the other side that match. Maybe do something to this cab corner to try to clean it up and make it preservable. And then with this bed, the way it was set up on the other truck that it was on, the fuel filler neck came, I'm not going to touch it, but there's a hole in the floor like right here, and the fuel filler neck came straight up, and you'd have to reach in, turn the thing, and put gas in it that way. I don't want to make it like that. I want to cut a hole in over here and just run the filler neck out so that it sits right here. And the amount of flexing that filler neck has done, it probably needs to be replaced now. And I think that's what's causing my check engine light, because when I was putting gas in this yesterday, I had to slow down with the pump because it was just pouring right out. So overall, I drove it like probably 150 miles or so, because I did a little bit of recreational driving after. But other than my back being wet because this window leaks, this went up and down the highway quite nicely for something that's been sitting as long as it has. It's really pretty impressive. It doesn't make me love the truck by any means, but yeah, no, it did good. It did really good. So once those holes are filled in and bondoed over, and I get the filler neck straightened out and the bed mounted on properly, then we're ready to take it in for inspection, I'm pretty sure. I can't think of anything else I need to do to it. The floor's been fixed. The frame has been done. That's the new section from a 2003. So yeah, it's coming together slowly but surely. And when this truck was in half at my friend's house getting worked on, then I was told of another Ranger that I could have for really short money that I can't lose money on. So we'll have to see about picking that up maybe. Oh, I also gotta figure out exactly what I'm gonna do with the taillights here, because, I mean, those look okay, but I don't know if, yeah, something could be more flush and not sitting on the bumper. This one I couldn't even get the stuff there to tighten it up. I had to use the bungee cord. Oh, also this big space here. I'm half tempted to get some drawer sliders because I can get them for free. And maybe try installing a drawer to carry tools and stuff. And then I want to cut some holes in this decking to then build up my my sides. You know what? I was gonna put my safety rack across, but I think it'd be easier if I just didn't. But I'll put my sides on, make them so that they're bolted in, not removable. I'll probably have them come up like this high, and then maybe if I'm feeling fancy that day, or I can even do it later on, cut them back a little bit so it steps down, and then put 2 swing out gates. I think that would look pretty good. But I guess the truck that this came off of was on the road until pretty recently when the wheel bearing locked up and the wheel came off and really damaged it. So it even had a current inspection sticker on it back in September. Or from back in September, I should say. So yeah, that's, oh, I gotta secure that better. This wouldn't pass. But yeah, it's slowly but surely coming together, and that one, the neighbor looked at it, he said he'll work on it, and the Jeep has gone to the junkyard. Car's down the hill, around the corner, no changes with that. Oof, excuse me. Anyways, that's the update on the silver 2001 Ford Ranger. Hopefully it'll be done soon. We've made some good progress here. Oh, did I mention this was only $50? Yeah, it was totally worth the drive. Anyways, thanks for watching.